Picking up from our previous video explaining introduction to Motorola STS, today I'm going to demonstrate how to implement serial RS485 Modbus master communications on an ACE3600 CPU. Let's begin by right clicking on the site we created the other day. Click on select view and we go to our ports tab. So select ports tab and we select and highlight serial interface 1. We select media and we select 485. Now remembering MOSCAD only does 2-wire RS485, and here's a bit of a picture just showing the connectivity required. So here's serial 1, a nice close-up picture of serial 1 showing the port, serial interface 1. Pin 1 is the topmost pin, so looking at the CPU, topmost pin is pin 1, bottommost pin is pin 8. There are A and B signals, so inverting and non-inverting signals, and that's the same for all RS485 ports on the ACE3600 series CPUs. So that's our 2-wire connection there. Next, we select connection type and we select third-party protocol. Then we select, or we define our connection type, and the connection type is connected to slave, meaning that we'll be a master. So we're making the MOSCAD ACE a master device. Port name, leave it PLC1, although you can select PLC2, PLC3, but I think logically we should just leave it as serial interface 1, PLC1. Data speed 9600. Next, for data format, if that needs to be changed, you click on advanced configuration and we see our format here, and we have 8, N and 1, so 8 bits, no parity, 1 stop bit, which is pretty much common, almost default settings. So we just leave that as it is, but it's just handy to know if you need to modify it, that's where it exists. Next, we go back to general and we associate the Modbus driver file with the site. We click on add-on manager, and over on the left hand side we've got ACE3600 file types. We select PLC1 to slave, we browse and import, and this is the file we want. We want Modbus to slave PLC1. Highlight it to select. The file now appears here, and we then select the site we want that file to be associated with, which is site 1, and we hit OK. The site now contains that file ready for download. Hit download, we'll be prompted to save the project. Select yes. Then here's our dialog, our download dialog box. We select local, we deselect network configuration, we don't need it at the moment, and we hit download. If the comms driver is running, we'll be prompted, it'll download it immediately, or if it's not running, we'll be prompted for a password, which of course is lowercase MOSCAD by default. Hit OK, and the download will begin. And here we go. So site configuration going in, followed by the PLC to slave file. The unit is now rebooting. We should get a successfully downloaded message coming up on our screen. There we go. So download finished successfully. Hit OK, and the unit will reboot. The next video will be showing you how to create an application to drive the port and what's required to make that port work, and how to read the values from the third-party device. Thanks for watching. Any suggestions or anything of that nature, please feel free to leave that in the comments. Thank you.